Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to use multi-stop routing on iPhone in iOS 16 or later. Apple Maps app has received plenty of love in iOS 16. One of the notable additions to the stock navigation app is the multi-stop routing. That means you can now plan a route with multiple stops. Previously, you could only route for a single location, so if you want to give this new add-on a try, let me show you how to use multi-stop routing on your iPhone the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone running iOS 16 or later. Now hit the search button and then add your start point and destination as usual. Under the Directions tab, tap on Add Stop to proceed. Next, add the location details. Up next, your stop will be added to the bottom of your list. It's worth pointing out that the map will change whenever you add a new stop. Moreover, it will show information on the approximate travel times between each stop that you have added. And depending on your needs, you can even rearrange and delete stops. To rearrange locations, touch and hold on the three-line icon next to a location and drag it to the desired position. And if you wish to delete a stop from your route plan, simply swipe to the left and hit the red delete button and you are good to go. That's pretty much done. It's worth pointing out that you can add up to 15 locations on one route. Once you have included all the preferred stops, the Maps app will automatically switch to its stop in turn. While it's not a deal breaker per se, the Maps app does not optimize the route, hence you will have to do it manually. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can use multi-stop routing in iOS 16 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.